To enable or disable color adjustment in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select visibility enhancements, and then select color adjustment. Adjust the color settings of your display if you have trouble seeing some colors. And then to enable color adjustment, tap switch until blue or until on, or to disable, tap switch until off or until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.